Good day, my future employer. My name is Maria Crislin Carmelotes. I am 36 years old. I am a single mother with one son, age are 15 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I am from Gihongan City, Negros Oriental. I am graduated Associate Hospitality Management 2 years course in Orso Gihongan campus. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from 2023 to 2025. There are 5 members of the family, two adults and 3 kids. My main duties and responsibility are the safety of the kids. Along with this are to keep them clean, prepare, and feed nutritious food every day. On top of those, I also do a household chores, cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing clothes, and most especially cooking and baking whenever the children are sleeping or at school. I also have working experience in Philippines for 7 years, from 2007 to 2014. There are 4 members of the family. My main duties and responsibility is do a household chores, cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family needs and to give a better future of my son. I am honest, obedient, trustworthy, and hardworking person. And also I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I promise to finish my contract with you and I am willing to renew it. To my future employer, I am looking forward to a positive outcome and to have a chance to be part of your household. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.